Hello, Blake Carlisle from Into the Mantle. As you may know, I decided this year to try to get back into the baseball, seeing as I was raised a Chicago Cubs fan, and it's the 100th anniversary and they're doing well this year. So I've read 2 books and tried to get into the games, and here I am. I just purchased a set of Topps baseball cards. A little bit of backstory: I used to be very interested in baseball up until about 3rd grade, when I was about 8 or 9, and the Chicago Cubs, that's when they went to the playoffs, and very successful team and well-known team. I was very into the players, and I was very into baseball cards. I was into it a little bit after that for a little bit, but basically I developed other interests. So yeah, I saw this, and I thought as part of the experiment I would get a set of baseball cards. So as you can see, it's very different from how I would get them in 1984. The gum is separate from the cards. I believe that's because collectors were worried about the gum damaging the cards. Another interesting thing is that it's see-through, so you can see the first and last card. So you can already see 2 of the 22 cards. Pretty interesting. When I knew it, I think if you looked really hard, you could see the back side of the last card through, but these are pretty obvious. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this open. There's the gum, pretty large piece of gum. Okay, so pretty nice. They look about all the same. Here's a strange one that's horizontal instead of vertical. Marlins, Byung-Hyun Kim. I don't know why this one is horizontal, not the other ones. Perhaps it looks that he's a sidearm pitcher. That might be it. Nice layout to the cards. It sees that the name of the team is at the top in alternating colors and in circles. Each player has an autograph printed on there. Let me just go through this. I did read through Moneyball for some more intelligent statistics, and that in Fantasyland that fantasy baseball players pay attention to those. Looks like they have the batting average. Looks like they have the slugging average, and oh, the OPS. I believe that's on base and slugging, which I think is a new statistic since I last had baseball cards, which I think means that they paid attention to those statistics a little bit. Jermaine Dye from the White Sox. All Major League statistics. Oh, manager, Tony La Russa. I don't really recognize anybody. It looks like if they weren't there for many years, they mention a little blurb about them. So this Josh Willingham has only been in the Marlins for 4 years, and there's some statements about him. La Russa, the manager, has no stats, so they only give a description of him. Well, I'm sure he has stats, but well, there is a stat of how they got in. Drafted by the Indians, June 91, acquired as a free agent, 12/13/2000. There's the baseball card number. I remember that. Shows where they're from. I guess if they're a complete rookie. It says rookie card in the bottom left, and it does give a little bit of a minor league statistic along with description. I guess that's about it. So this is my first deck of cards in the larger project of getting more into baseball this year.